Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review Maekersuite, and it's an AI-powered video platform that helps you create amazing, original and SEO-friendly videos in minutes. If you are looking for a way to save time, increase quality and boost creativity in your video production process, then you need to check out Maekersuite. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to get a special deal on Maekersuite, then stick around until the end of this video because I have an exclusive offer for you. Alright, let's get started. Okay, Maekersuite is a pre-production tool that helps you with every step of creating your video content, from ideation to scripting. It works by analyzing millions of YouTube videos in your niche and giving you data-driven insights and suggestions on what topics to cover, what titles to use, what keywords to include, and what calls to action to make. It also has an advanced AI that helps you write your entire script in minutes based on the outline that you create. You can customize and finalize your script without the hassle of writing it from scratch. Maekersuite is perfect for anyone who wants to create engaging, resonating and growth-driving videos. Whether you are a marketer, an educator, a creator or an entrepreneur. It's also very affordable compared to other tools that charge you hundreds of dollars per month for similar features. So as you can see, I am on the dashboard of Maekersuite and I will show you what features it has and how you can use these features, okay? So you can see there are 4 options on the dashboard: research a topic, analyze a video, get your script and start from scratch. Okay, so let's start with the first option, research a topic. Click on start exploration to begin your research. Here you can enter any keyword or phrase related to your topic and Maekersuite will analyze millions of YouTube videos in your niche and give you data-driven insights and suggestions on what topics to cover, what titles to use, what keywords to include and what calls to action to make. You can also filter the results by various criteria such as views, likes, comments, duration and more to find the most relevant and popular videos for your topic. Next is analyze a video. Click on get insights to discover useful insights on a specific video. You can enter the URL of any YouTube video that you want to learn from. Then click on get insights and Maekersuite will show you a detailed report on its performance, quality and SEO. You can see metrics such as views, subscribers, likes, comments, length and age, as well as a breakdown of the video structure, content and keywords. Okay, so let's close this from here and then click on get your script to get an AI generated script for your video. Here you can enter the basic information about your video such as the title, the tone, the goal, the target length and the language. You can also enter the creator and the target audience to help Maekersuite tailor the script to your style and niche. Okay. Next, you can choose to generate an outline or write it yourself. An outline is a summary of the main points and sub-points of your video and it helps you organize your ideas and structure your script. Okay. If you choose to generate an outline, Maekersuite will use its AI to create an outline for you based on the brief and the data that it finds on the web. You can customize and finalize the outline without the hassle of writing it from scratch. Okay. If you choose to write the outline yourself, Maekersuite will provide you with a template and tips to help you write a good outline. Then you can click on write script to get an AI generated script for your video based on the outline that you created or generated. Then you can click on write script to get an AI generated script for your video. Based on the outline that you created or generated, Maekersuite will write your entire script in minutes using natural language and storytelling techniques. Okay, you can customize and finalize the script without the hassle of writing it from scratch. Finally, you can save and export your script. You can choose to save it as a PDF, a Word document or a plain text file. You can also share it with others or upload it to your video editor of choice. So the next option is start from scratch. Okay, so click here. Here you can create your own script. Okay, finally you can click on project to see and manage all your video projects in one place. You can create, edit, delete your projects as well as sort and filter them by various criteria such as status, date, name and more. Okay, you can also see your explorations and generated ideas and search for any project by name. Okay, this was the demo. And the best part is, right now AppSumo is offering Maekersuite as a lifetime deal, which will cost you only $29. That's right, you pay once and you get to use Maekersuite forever with no monthly fees. Also, they have 3 licensed tier. You can go with any tier as per your requirements. But that's not all. If you use my link in the description box below, you can get an extra 10% off on your purchase. So if you want to take your video content to the next level and save time, money and energy in the process, then you need to get Maekersuite today. Just click the link in the description box below and get your lifetime access to this amazing tool before it's too late. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of Maekersuite and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you think of Maekersuite and how you plan to use it for your videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.